I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. After highs mostly in the upper 20s to the 30s this afternoon and the 40s over northwest Kansas, a longer-lasting warming trend gets underway for the weekend with a building ridge of high pressure over the western U.S. Highs tomorrow warm into the 40s in central locations, the 50s farther west. Sunday and Monday, most locations reach into the 50s. North Platte and northwest Kansas, though, are expected to hit the low to mid-60s on Sunday. Elevated fire weather concerns are a possibility over the weekend. A cold front and low pressure lead to highs trailing back into the mid-40s to the mid-50s for Christmas Eve through Thursday. Light rain or snow is possible Christmas night through Thursday, but meaningful snow accumulation is unlikely. In the long-term forecast, warmer than normal temperatures likely to continue for Nebraska and Kansas and all of the U.S. Christmas through the first 2 days of the new year. Nebraska and Kansas precipitation Christmas through January 2nd expected to be above normal. Next month is looking like a typical January for Nebraska and Kansas with near normal or seasonal temperatures and mostly near normal precipitation. The Nebraska Panhandle indicated to see slightly above normal precipitation. Key weather factors influencing the markets include active and warm weather for the U.S. to close out the year and the need of heavier rain in Argentina. A storm near the mid-Atlantic coast remains offshore but grazes the northeast with wind and snow today. Weekend temperatures dip below zero from Minnesota to Maine and fall to freezing or below as far south as northern Florida. The short-lived cold snap is replaced by milder conditions with warmer than normal temperatures encompassing much of the U.S. by Christmas Eve. The very mild air continues across the U.S. through at least the end of the year. The next 5 days, heavy precipitation is limited to Northern California and the Northwest. A fast-moving disturbance produces rain by Christmas Eve from the southeastern plains into the mid and lower Mississippi Valley, along with pre-holiday wintry precipitation in the Great Lakes. In Argentina, spotty rain is expected this weekend through next week. Areas are going to be missed, mostly in southeast Argentina, possibly leading to dry areas developing. Brazil is in overall good shape with scattered wet season rain in the central and rain moving north through the southern areas. Beneficial crop weather continues through next week in Brazil, while soybeans are in the flowering to filling stage and corn is developing. Rainfall in southern Brazil currently below normal, but rains are timely. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.